Hello, you are welcome back. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how I make my aloe vera gel for my hair. Okay, I shared a video on my hair routine where I use my aloe vera. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make the aloe vera. So you transfer the aloe vera to a bowl, and I added coconut oil, almond oil, and castor oil, and I will go ahead to add some essential oil. Okay, and this is my tea tree essential oil. I will just go in there and drop some few drops of it. Okay, and I will also add mint essential oil. These are my basic oil for my hair. Okay, for now. Okay, because I don't really like adding so much stops on my hair. Okay, I want to keep it as natural as I can. Okay, and you go ahead to blend the aloe vera and the oil that we added to them. Okay, I added aloe vera, almond oil, castor oil, coconut oil, tea tree essential oil, and mint essential oil. I will go ahead and blend all these to get them to a smooth consistency. Okay, you can see, and I will go ahead to seal it. Okay, because I don't want the leftover or the proceed or some of the products to stick to my hair. Okay, because when you don't sieve your mixtures like this, your home remedies like this, you will end up having so much product particles on your hair which you don't really want to have after washing your hair. Okay, you just go ahead and sieve it, and you have your aloe vera gel ready. Okay, this is very simple, right? So don't complain that you don't have time to take care of your hair. Okay, follow me on this journey. Okay, I am growing my natural hair, and I'm sharing my journey with you guys. So this is one of the stuffs I do on my hair. Okay, and you guys know aloe vera is very, very, very essential and very beneficial to your hair. Okay, so you can see if I didn't save it, that is all those stuffs would have been on my hair. Okay, and this is where we have our clean aloe vera gel, clear. Okay, and I will go ahead to transfer it to my applicator bottle. Okay, just go ahead, any applicator bottle you have, you can just go ahead and transfer it there. So for now, I think this is enough for me, and the rest I will preserve it in the freezer. Anytime I want to use it, I'll just bring it out and defroze it, and I'm good to go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The aloe vera gel for my natural hair is ready to go down my hair. And aloe vera is very, very healthy, is very, very good, and is one of the stuffs. If you've not started using it on your hair, I will encourage you to start using aloe vera on your hair. So this is what my hair looks like. You know, black girl, my scalp is dark. Okay, so and I will go ahead to apply this on my hair. You guys know aloe vera is very beneficial to your hair. Okay, it cleanses the hair, it moisturizes your hair, and it brings out the integrity of your hair. It preserves all the strands of your hair. Okay, and I will go ahead to apply this on my hair. I want it to get to my scalp. Okay, I want it to get to every strands of my hair. Okay, you just, if you have a long hair, if you are still growing your hair, my hair is not really long. Okay, but my hair has been doing so good. Okay, I knew where my hair was. Okay, and I know where my hair is now. What's how far we've gone on this journey. My hair was very, very bad. When I mean very, very bad, okay, and aloe vera drives dandruff away from your hair. If you are having dandruff, okay, use this on your hair anytime you are washing it. Okay, and not just using this. I have a lot of DIYs that I do on my hair, on my page here, on my channel. Okay, anywhere you're watching this video on, just check out the videos, or I will pin some of them in the comment section so that you can go ahead and check them out. Okay, you go ahead and check them out. You can do your rosemary hair growth spray I've got clothes. You can do a whole lot of stuffs with clothes, and I've been doing them. My hair has been amazing. When I mean amazing, my hair has been amazing. I will try and leave a picture of what my hair used to look like. Okay, what my hair used to look like and what my hair looks like now. Okay, no more dandruff, no more hair itching. If you are doing all the stuffs on your hair, trust me, give your hair time. This is not magic. Okay, your hair will grow. Just give your hair time. Make sure you take a lot of water. Give your hair water. Massage your scalp. Okay, I love the massaging section each time I'm doing anything on my hair. Okay, you can see the way I've applied it on my hair. And right now, I'm just taking my hair in sections, trying to make sure it gets to every strand of my hair. You can see I'm trying to pat it with my hand, and I will go ahead and massage, make sure it gets to every strands of my hair. Then, just like I'm doing, okay, I went ahead to apply more. I feel I need more of the product there, and I went ahead. Before now, my edges are really, really off. You see my edges? I don't have any specialty I do on my edge. Anything you see me apply on my hair, it gets down to my edge. Okay, I had to challenge on my edges. They went off. You can see my edges are just doing well, growing well. It's a gradual process. It is a gradual process. Okay, I didn't say my hair is growing in 1 week. No, or in 1 month. My hair did not get to this level in 1 year. But for some people, it may go like that for them in 1 year. But mine, no. This is natural hair, and this hair bounces. My hair, the way you're looking at it, is actually longer than what you're seeing here. If I drag it for you, you will get the actual length. So the way I did it this way, I did it. I twisted the other way too, and I will go ahead to massage my scalp. Okay, I want this aloe vera to get to every part of my hair. This aloe vera gel, this aloe vera hair home remedy, okay, for dandruff, for hair fall, okay. This is what it, oh my god, the massaging as part, I love it so much. Oh my god, oh my god, it's so relaxing, you know, it's so relaxing, have engaging with my hair. All right, so this is it, and I am actually done. Right now, I'm just going to cover it. Okay, for today, I'm not steaming my hair. Okay, as at when I did this video, I'm not steaming my hair. Okay, once in a while, I do steam my hair, maybe once in 2 months, depending. Okay, so today I'm not steaming my hair. I will just cover this to stay on my hair for like 30 minutes. Then I will go and wash it off. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Thank you, and God bless you.